Hey, what's up guys, Michael here with WarpDriveM. In today's episode, as you can see, we are going to test fit the turbo and install it if everything is okay. And yeah, I received all the parts and pieces for this build. Yeah, I'm gonna show you all the package, everything that's inside. Let's begin.
So you and me will kiss the sky goodnight. Just run away with me, darling. We'll get real lost. We'll get real lost again. Just run away with me, darling. We'll get real lost. We'll get real lost again.
As you can saw, I received all the parts, and I think this kit is the best in the world because you will receive all the bolts and pieces, all the rubber joints, everything. We have in here the turbo. I don't know if you can tell from this video, but it's a hell of a big turbo. Check this out. It's rated till 450 horsepower. I have all the pipes, the intercooler is here, as you can already saw. We have some gaskets for the turbo. We have all the vacuum lines with the bolts. There we have the gauges. Yep. We have the exhaust part from the turbo. This side is gonna fit to the turbo. We have the V-clamp as well. So I cannot recommend more another kit, because in this one you will receive all the parts, all the pieces, all the bolts, everything, just to fit it on your car. If you guys know, these are the O2 sensor support. I'm gonna need 4 of these. 2 will go before the turbo, and another 2 after the turbo. But for those after the turbo, I will need this adapter. Real life test. The O2 nut, the O2 adapter. So this is the turbo manifold. As you can see, I don't have any holes. I have to drill a hole in here for the first bank. That's the first 3 cylinders. As you can see, I've taped this O2 sensor because you have to put it in the right order, otherwise your engine is gonna not work properly. So this is the bank 2 sensor. So the first bank, I'm gonna drill a hole in here somewhere where I can mount and undo this very easily. So something like this or like this. Yeah, the second one right there where it is, I'm gonna use this nut in here, something like this, and in these ones the O2 sensor is going to go in. So like this, yep, and like this after the turbo, because like I said, this piece is gonna replicate the cat functions, and the ECU won't drive the engine in limp mode. I have to leave this to somebody that can weld that for me, and I'm gonna show you just the end result. it is done. Check it out. Yeah, now we have the nuts welded for the O2 sensor like this. Yep. And now I just have to reinstall this and fit the turbo. I'm gonna take this out. I'm gonna install the injectors back because I want to start the car and put it on the ramps because I have to work underneath. Normally it should start. I'm gonna drive it on these ramps, and after that we can fit the turbo in. Yep, it's that time. We can now test fit the turbo. I have to go underneath the car and hopefully everything goes smooth and we don't have any problems. Let's do this. The turbo is kind of in its place, but I cannot put it right in his place because I have a metal plate down there that I have to remove, and after that I'm going to test it again. Yep, it's almost there, but not quite there. So I had to take back the engine mount and let's fit again the turbo. The turbo is officially in. Yep, I just put it one bolt, but it's in his place, and as you already can saw, I have to remove the wastegate in order to fit the turbo, but I've kind of figured out that it was backwards, or I just had to, I hope you can see, I just had to put in the other, with the other side, that plate that holds the wastegate, so it is in place. Yep, and with these builds, of course, we have another problem. Let me show you what. Everything is in place, and the next problem is that the pipe that goes to intercooler, as you can see, is going directly to the frame of the car, and that's bad. Yep, that's bad. Maybe when I'm gonna tighten the screws on the manifold, it's gonna higher up a little bit, but anyway, it isn't enough to make a 90 degree here turn and to reroute the pipes. I'm not sure for now, but anyway, as you can see, the turbo is in place. I have to take it back again and cut a little bit of that bracket from the wastegate to fit it perfectly, and after that we are going forward. So this is the position that I have to install the turbo. As you can see, the support is right there. It's gonna fit in here. On this side it will be the exhaust. And I've noticed that now in this position the turbo is upside down, because this big line, oil line, is the return line, and this one is the feeding line. So with the feeding line I don't have any problem, because it's gonna be high pressure line, but I'm not sure about this one, about the return line. It should flow downwards, and I have no idea if this is gonna work upwards. Maybe I can make a 90 degrees turn, but I'm kind of asking you what do you think about this? Can I mount this like this, or should I start all over again and change this turbo manifold with the other one with the top mount? But when I'm doing that, I have to relocate the ABS pump and a lot of other things. So I'm kind of stuck right now. So yep, I have a few problems. I can fit the turbo in this position, but like I've said, it's like upside down. I'm not sure if this is gonna work. If you know, just write me in the comment section below, and till next time I have to think for an alternative or something like that. And yeah, of course, stay tuned. Until next time, see you later.